Ang sarap ng dip. Wow! Ano pa buo kabalen? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community, and that is you guys watching this video. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Beck's. Look at these colorful dishes, guys. And if you are just with me, sobrang ang babango ng mga pagkain natin for today's video. So I would like to introduce them to you one by one. So meron tayo ditong pork barbecue. So actually this pork barbecue are available frozen or cooked, ready to eat. Now next naman, ito yung tinatawag nilang palaman, traditional or all-time favorite pandesal. And then you have your pulled pork on top natin. We also have this pork chop. And then meron tayong moza bites. And then in front of us, meron din tayong kare-kare. We have chicken yakitori that are really, famous in Japan, in Malaysia. On my far left, meron po tayo ditong begokan. So we also have lenggua. Check that out. Yeah, favorite ko rin to sa mga fiesta. This roast beef. So this is their lasagna naman. These are their taco dip and sticks. And then meron din tayong ditong mga home cook a la king. So let me taste it, guys. I want to start from their pork chop. Yan. Oh, wow. It's not that usual, fried pork chop. Meron siyang smoky aftertaste. Ang dami pang mga ingredients na lalasahan ko dito. I guess ang gandang panerno nito dun sa palaman natin. So since this is also a pork dish, let me taste it. Wow! Parang meron siyang kasamang mashed potato. To keep it all together, fried siya sa butter and egg. Sobrang terno niya sa mga pasta dishes like spaghetti or a lasagna. Might as well taste this. Man. Whoa! So it's so thick. I think yung pinaka-topmost layer ng lasagna natin has a really thick cream or cheese. Let's taste it. Wow! A little bit sour and salty. No Filipino taste at all. It is an Italian-inspired flavor. So, I think another Italian-inspired dish na available sa kanila is this moza bite. You have your mozzarella mixture on top. Plus, pinaka-base natin is a French toast. Wow! Yung top niya, it is undeniable. Super duper like it. This is a pork barbecue. It's up to you if you fry it or you barbecue it. Pero these are already marinated pork, ready to eat or ready to cook. It's up to you guys. Wow, sobrang lasa. Oh, wow. Super duper like it. I like it. Like I said, guys, one thing I really want to commend yung pork barbecue natin. It's soaked with our barbecue marination. Even the bone itself, it's so all over the piece. Alright, so I wanna move in to our relative na taste ng pork barbecue natin is the chicken yakitori. So guys, again, if you notice, these are perfectly barbecued chicken pieces. Let's taste it. Oh wow. Oh wow. So grabe guys, this chicken yakitori all throughout the entire piece of the chicken. It is so flavorful, no? Overflowing with flavor. Anyway, so let me proceed. I think I'm gonna go dito sa mga alaking naman natin. So, alright, let's taste it. This piece right here, it's so creamy. Oh wow. Now moving on to our creamy dishes. This is lenggua. I always look forward for a lenggua sa mga festive events like fiesta. As always, almost tears down itself kapag inunguya mo na siya sa bibig. Now, this one is their roast beef. Let me taste it na. comparing yung lasa nito, yung roast beef natin to our lengua, I think this is more of the softer side. This one is super creamy and at the same time it's a little bit salty, but this one it's creamy pero I think the saltiness is parang medyo toned down siya. Last two dishes we're gonna try is yung kanilang begokan. Very popular dish sa mga Kapampangan. We just love yung mga salty food tapos lalagyan natin ng mga meat. Order ka ng 2 steamy rice. Yeah, tapos na yung lunch. Oh wow, it's a little bit sweet. So parang medyo caramelized yung lasa niya. However, it is really hot and spicy. This is their Kare-Kare. At the base of our Kare-Kare, you have your pork, and then next layer is yung mga vegetables natin. And then on top, of course, you have your bagoong. Grabe guys, ang lambot ng pork. It is super tender. Alright. That is just amazing. Oh wow. This is their flagship product. This is the taco dip and the stick, no? So you gotta check out as well. Wow! Ang sarap ng dip! Save the best for last, ika nga nila. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kung natakam ka and you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to share it on your timeline. And go to Beck's fan page as well for more updates sa mga products na sinaserve nila. So again guys, thanks so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Hope to see you in the next one. Until then, please stay safe and stay at home. God bless us all. Peace! Bye-bye!